Hello there, in this video I want to show you how to adjust volume on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Let's get started. And for that, we need to open this Galaxy wearable application. Here go in the earbud controls, but firstly make sure that your earbuds are connected to the phone and to the app, and you'll see the name of your device and the battery status. Now let's go in the earbud controls. In here you need to enable those media controls because you just need to swipe up and down to control volume. And also you can do it with the help of voice commands. For that, you just need to go in the earbud settings. Here, go in the voice controls, enable voice commands, and you will be able to say volume up or volume down to adjust the volume. So now let's test it. I'm gonna put in one of my earbuds, and now I'm just gonna use voice commands. Volume up, volume up, volume down, volume down. And now let's make gestures. For that, we need to find this controller and we will need to swipe it up to volume up or down to volume down. So let's test it. I'm gonna swipe up and we can see how the volume adjusts. Now let's swipe down and the volume reduces. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.